In this video, we are going to see how we can make a playlist or save any video to our playlist with a simple procedure. All we have to do is just head over to the home tab, and let's say this is the video I want to save in my playlist. What we can do is just head over to the right hand side, and you can see this bookmark kind of sign next to comments. Here you can click on new, or if you have the playlist already, you can save it to that. But let's actually save it to a new playlist. You want to hold it, click on new, and we will name it as playlist. We can share it with friends, make it public, but I'll just keep it as it is. Click on save. And then when we head over to our profile, we have this bookmark section where you can see different collections save into the playlist. As you can see, we have multiple collections here, and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.